D. Sharma, Class 8, Chapter number 18, Practical Geometry Construction. In that, exercise 18.5. Here we had given that construct a quadrilateral when its three angle and their two including sides are given. Now here in exercise 18.5, three angle and two sides we had given. So let us start with an exercise. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that AB equal to 4 cm, BC equal to 3 cm, angle A equal to 75 degree, angle B equal to 80 degree and angle C equal to 120 degree. So whichever we can construct the angle, we can construct it with an rounder or we can take a protractor. Now let us start with an rough diagram. Question number 1. Let us draw a rough diagram. That means quadrilateral first. Okay, that is A, B, C, D. Okay, AB is 4 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter, AB is 75 degree, angle B is 80 degree and angle C is 120 degree. So first you can draw this AB or you can draw this BC. So I am drawing here BC first. So draw BC first, that is 3 centimeter, BC. Okay, 3 centimeter. Now we have to construct the angle, that is B. Angle B is 80. So with protractor I am drawing angle B as 80 degree. So this is 80. Okay, drawing this 80 degree, that gives us X 80 degree. Now angle C is 120 degree. So 120 degree we can draw with a protractor. So take any measurement on rounder and draw arc cutting BC. Now whichever the cut BC, just draw one arc cutting first arc, that is 60 degree, and then another arc, that is 120 degree. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to join this 120 degree. So from C we will join this 120 degree and give this Y. Okay, now we will draw from another thing what we had given, that is AB, that BC. AB is 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter we will draw AB. So 4 centimeter, take on rounder, just take 4 centimeter. Okay, now from B we have to draw arc cutting BX. Now that is A. So give name A, 4 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we had given 75 degree, that is angle A. So 75 degree with protractor, we will keep this protractor like this way and we will draw 75 degree. So 75 degree, where it is? Here. This 0 we have to see. Okay, inner side 0 and 75 degree it is here. So we will connect this A, 75 degree. So connect it. So whichever your intersection is D. Okay, that is your quadrilateral ABCD. Now steps of construction. Draw BC. BC as 3 cm with scale. Construct B 80 degree and construct C 120 degree. Okay, so with B as center, radius 4 cm, we have to cut off B X with on at A. Now construct A 75 degree. Okay, 75 degree we have to construct, and whichever the intersection, that is D. So thus the quadrilateral ABCD obtained. Now let us do second one. Here we had given AB, BC, angle A, angle B and angle D. So first we will construct a rough construction. So that is quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay, so AB is 5.5, BC is 3.7, angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 105 and angle D is 90 degree. Okay, this we have to construct it. Now first what we will do, first we will take the 5.5 AB. Okay, let us draw AB 5.5 centimeter. So from 0 here A B 5.5 centimeter. Now we will construct this 60 degree with an rounder. So take any measurement on rounder and draw the arc from A. Okay, so first arc is 60. So let us draw the 60 degree angle. So this one is 60. Now second is 105. So 105 with protractor we will draw. So 105, this 0 we have to see. So 105 here it is. So let us connect this 105. Give this y. This is 105. Now this we have to take on rounder 3.7 centimeter. So let us take 3.7 centimeter 7. Okay, draw from B. 3.7, draw from B. Intersection is point C. So this is 3.7 centimeter. Okay, now here we don't have the angle C. We have only 3 angles. So if 3 angle we have, we can find this, because if we don't have this angle C, we can't draw angle D. Okay, so let us first find out the angle C. Now we know the sum of the angle of quadrilateral is 360. So if we will plus it, angle A, angle B, angle C plus angle D equal to 360. Now we have 3 angles, that is 60 plus 105 plus angle C we have to find out, and angle D is 90 equal to 360. So 60 plus 105 is 165 plus 90. 165 plus 90 is 255 equal to 360. So angle C equal to 360. 360 minus 255. So angle C equal to 5, 10 minus 5, 5, 5 minus 5, 0 and 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1. So angle C is 105 degree. Okay, so we'll construct this angle C as 105 with using protractor. So let us draw this angle C, that is 105. This 0 we have to take, so here it will come. So connect it. So let us connect this. Okay, now that is angle 105, and we have to construct the angle D is 90 degree. So let us see if this is 90 or not. See, here it is 90 degree. Proof. So this angle D is also 90 degree. So we had constructed angle A, B, C and D. Now let us see Steps of construction. Say draw AB 5.5, construct A 60 and B 105 degree. Then we have to take center B and a radius 3.7 and draw the arc and cut off BY at C. Okay, now we have to construct angle C equal to 105. Then we have to join this CD. Then we got that angle D is equal to 90 degree. Thus the quadrilateral ABCD obtained. Okay, now let us do the fourth one. Question number 4, that is we have to construct quadrilateral. So let us draw the rough diagram. That is quadrilateral. What we had given A, B, C, D. Okay, so angle BC we had given. BC is 5.5, CD is 4.1. Then we had given angle A 70, angle B 110 and angle D, that is 85 degree. Now first of all, what we will see, we had given this side but not the angle C. So first of all we will take out the measurement degree of angle C. Okay, so let us take angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360. That is angle A we have given 70 plus 110 degree plus angle C we have to find out, and angle D is 85, that is 360. Now angle 70 plus 110 is 180. 180 plus 85 265. So angle C plus 265 equal to 360. So angle C equal to 360 minus 265. So angle C equal to, what we will do, this 10 minus 5, 5, 16, 15 minus 6, 9. So angle C is 95. Now you can draw this side CD or CB. So I am drawing first here, that is the CD. So CD is 4.1. So from 0 to 4.1 I am taking here CD. Now CD is, C is, angle C is 95 degree. So with the protector 95 degree I am drawing, that is here. I am drawing it 95. Okay, and angle, okay, this X, angle D is 85. So angle D 85 I am drawing with protector. So this 0 we have to see, 85 here. So join this 85 also, that is Y, 85 degree. Okay, now we will draw BC, that is 5.5 with using rounder. So take 5.5 measurement, take 5.5 and draw the arc from C. So which is this? This is B. So whichever the intersection, give B and 5.5. Okay, now we will take B as, how many degree we had given, that is 110 we had given. So where it is, this 0 we have to see inner side. So here it is. Okay, so connect this B. I am extending this Y. Here it is Y. So we had connect here, intersecting here. So I am giving this name as A. Whichever the intersection, this is A. Now we had given that A, angle A is 70. So let us see if it is 70 or not. See, check it. here it is 70, right? This line is intersecting the 70 degree. So this angle A is also 70. Okay, and this one is 110. Now let us see the steps of construction. Steps of construction: draw CD, that is 4.1 centimeter. Construct angle C 95 and angle D 85. Seat center C as center and radius 5.5 centimeter. Cut off CX at B. So we have to cut off CX at B. Then we have to construct angle B equal to 110 degree. Then we have to join this AB. So thus the quadrilateral ABCD obtained. Now let us see the question number 5th one. Here we had given angle A, angle B, angle C, then BC, CD. Okay, so let us draw the rough diagram of quadrilateral. That is A, B, C, D. Okay, we had given angle A 65, angle B 105, angle C 75 degree, BC is 5.7 centimeter and CD is 6.8 centimeter. Okay, so here also we have to find out first this angle D. Okay, for that we will just use angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. So angle A is 65 plus 105 plus 75 plus angle D we have to find out, so equal to 360. Now plus this 245 plus angle D equal to 360. So angle D equal to 360 minus 245. So angle D equal to 10 minus 5 is 5, 6, 5 minus 4 is 1 and 2, 3 minus 1 is 1. So angle D is 115 degree. Now first of all what we will do, we will just draw this BC 5.7 centimeter. Let us draw with a scale 5.7 centimeter. So here it is BC 5.7 centimeter. Now with protractor we will draw angle that is 105 degree. So from this 0 we will see here it is 105. So let us join this, give this X and 105 degree. Now angle C, that is 75 degree. So angle C 75 degree. This 0 we have to see. So here it is 75. Then join it with the scale. We will join and give Y. Okay. Now this centimeter we have to take on rounder. So take 6.7. Okay. Then from C we have to draw one arc, that is D. This is 75 degree and 6.8 centimeter. Now D we have to draw 115. So from D we will draw 0. We have to see this one, that is 115 here. Here it is 115 we have to see. Just extend this line because we want intersection, right? So this from B we have to draw one line like this here. So here it is intersection. So this one is A. Now here angle A is what we had given 65. So let us see that is 65 or not. Yes, it is 65, right? So angle B is 115 and angle A is 65. degree. Okay, now we have to write steps of construction. Steps: draw BC equal to 5.7 centimeter, construct B angle B equal to 105 degree and angle C equal to 75 degree. With C as center and radius 6.8 centimeter, cut off CY at D. Construct angle D equal to 115 degree. Thus the quadrilateral ABCD obtained. Thank you for watching this video.